What's on the horizon for the 2023 housing market? What are the experts predicting for the 2024 housing market? Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. Here are some anticipated trends and developments we can expect to see in the upcoming year. Many experts predict that home prices will continue to rise in 2024 at a lower, slightly slower pace compared to previous year. According to National Association of Realtors Chief Economist Lawrence Ian, home prices are expected to increase by around 3-4% in 2024. Inventory levels are likely to remain below what we as agents deem a balanced market, but should be at higher levels than 2023. All eyes remain on mortgage rates, as we have seen the gradual increase over 2023. Forecasters are predicting interest rates to see a slight decline. Buyers will have more financial flexibility to purchase homes at the higher prices, and this could generate more demand on housing. Sellers will also be in a better position to list their home and find replacement properties. As always, these are predictions, and the real estate market continues to remain volatile. If you'd like to know what is happening in your local area with pricing, demand, and inventory, please reach out to me so I can help, assist, and guide you through this ever-changing market. I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty.